Just getting out of the tree line here on the little Lougheed hike. Hiked up from Spray Lakes here. Don't think you can see my van from there. And the weather is not looking too friendly, so I may not go any further. Well, I will go a little further, but probably not much further. So let's see if I can get up this thing today or not. June 18th, 2023. I'm on top of Little Lougheed, and it's beautiful. Today I celebrate Vanessa because it's June 18th. Over to our left, you can see the trail going up to West Wind Pass, which is also super clouded out. And of course the Spray Lakes Reservoir, lower than I've ever seen it, but still beautiful. And I'm gonna go down before I get caught in a blizzard. All right. Thank you, nature.